packing sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby,
Hey beautiful babes, welcome back to Facial February with me, Sweet Angel. It's day 2 and today we're doing a winter reset hydration facial. Perfect for mature skin, dry skin, and winter weather defense. This mask is super simple and super gentle, but it packs a punch in hydration and leaves your skin feeling soft and plump. Let's get started. For this facial, you'll need just 2 simple ingredients. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. That's it. Simple, natural, and amazing for your skin. Just mix your honey and aloe gel together until it's smooth. Then gently apply it all over your face, avoiding your eyes. I like to leave it on for about 15 minutes. During this time, your face is soaking up all the hydration and barrier-loving goodness. After 15 minutes, rinse with warm water and pat dry. You'll notice your skin feels instantly softer, more plump, and nourished. Here's why this works so well. Honey locks in moisture and calms irritation. Aloe soothes, hydrates, and supports your skin barrier. Together, they plump fine lines and give your skin a healthy winter glow. For this winter reset facial, you can safely use it 2 to 3 times per week. If your skin is very dry or mature, starting with twice a week is perfect. If your skin is on the drier side or winter feels extra harsh, you can do it every other day. Always listen to your skin. If it feels soft, hydrated, and calm, that's your cue. It's happy. Of course, you should already know. Start with a clean face. And do this before your moisturizer or face oil to lock in all the hydration. This facial is gentle enough for regular use, but not so strong that it will irritate your skin. Think of it as a hydration booster, not a deep exfoliation. Remember, babes, always patch test first if you're trying a new mask. And don't forget your SPF. If you love this facial, give it a try tonight or anytime your skin feels dry. Don't forget, some of the products I mentioned are linked below, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases and no extra cost to you. Thanks for spending day 2 of Facial February with me. I'll see you tomorrow for another amazing DIY facial. Stay glowing, beauties. Bye.
looked at me, smile real wide. Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's 5 day, baby.